Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Charles Schwab Roth IRA. First, confirm you meet the eligibility requirements for a Roth IRA, considering income limits. Next, gather all your necessary personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Finally, decide on your initial contribution amount, keeping in mind the annual maximums. This preparation ensures a smooth account opening process, helping you start your retirement savings effectively and efficiently with Charles Schwab. Now, let's open your account. Navigate to the Charles Schwab website and select the option to open a new account. Choose the Roth IRA from the available account types. You will then complete the online application form, providing your personal and financial details accurately. This step is straightforward, guiding you through each section to ensure all required information is captured correctly for your new retirement savings vehicle. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. You can easily link your external bank account for convenient electronic transfers. Consider setting up recurring contributions to automate your savings and stay consistent. Remember to be aware of the annual contribution limits, which are typically around $7,000 for those under age 50 and $8,000 for those age 50 and over. Funding your Roth IRA regularly helps maximize its long-term growth potential. With funds in your Roth IRA, the next exciting step is investing. Explore Charles Schwab's wide range of investment options, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and individual stocks. Choose investments that align with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. It's also wise to monitor your portfolio periodically and rebalance it as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. This proactive approach helps ensure your retirement savings stay on track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.